Between the lead and the expansion, competition vitally bursts out. Between inspiration and totem, the charm of individuality shows. Between striving and spirit, the comprehensive strength improves. ShenZhen Relish Technology Company Limited. ShenZhen Relish Technology Company Limited is located in Shenzhen, which is a beautiful and high-tech coastal city. Established in 2012 and covering an area of 6,000 square miles, Relish focuses on R&D, production, and marketing of oral care products, and owns several national oral care brands nationally. Relish products include Sonic Toothbrush, Kids Musical Toothbrush, Sanitized Travel Case, Water Flosser, and corresponding accessories. Quality is the soul of an enterprise to survive. Relish adopts new and perfect management concepts and quality pursuit. It is committed to meticulous production with rigorous attitude and forms a complete set of perfect quality assurance system. A number of advanced production equipment has been introduced to ensure excellent quality. As a state-level high-tech enterprise, Relish currently brings together dozens of scientific and technological senior talents. With R&D technology strength and excellent artisan spirit and years of hard work, Relish obtained dozens of patents and software copyrights. The company has also obtained ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 system certification and FDA registration. The products have also passed some international certification and testing, such as CV, CETL, FCC, CE, ROHS, REACH, LFGB, and so on. With overall research and development and technological innovation ability, Relish is always in the forefront of the industry and explores the remarkable future with collective wisdom. Professionalism is raised from concentration. The Sonic Toothbrush, Kids Musical Toothbrush, Water Flosser, Sanitizing Travel Case, and the accessories are sold around the world, like North America, Europe, Japan, Korea, Russia, etc. Relish has set up a long-term strategic relationship with Walmart, Target, and Best Buy in the past years, and highly evaluated upon excellent production and quality assurance by different clients. Thanksgiving and dedication. Relish has been adhering to the core values of dedication, innovation, quality, and wholeheartedly serving the society, focusing on family oral health, and regarding caring for oral health and caring for family health as the mission of the enterprise. Relish has been actively devoted to public welfare, contributing their own efforts so that more people enjoy a healthy and happy life. Relish has always been in good faith for credibility, taking innovation as the driving force, teamwork as power source, the harmonious development as traction force, relying on strong team cohesion to provide the most advanced high-tech products to customers around the world, and become the industry leader in the oral care field. ShenZhen Relish Technology Company Limited.